The weekend has finally made it, and I know you all going to get out there. You're going to enjoy family and friends, party like it's 1999, and remember, people, just be safe. Just be safe. Now, SMZ is donating some watch faces on the channel. Now, they're all going to be for the U.S. I'll see if I can get with them to get some more watch faces for the different countries. But until then, make sure you comment in the comment section down below. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got SMZ in the house, and he's bringing new flavor to the table. He's changing the game with this watch face. I like the design. I like the look. Now, we got 3 in all that we're going to review. The other 2 are going to be super short because it's going to be similar with all 3. So far, the look is concerned. The design changes just a little bit, but we're going to show you. But I chose this one because of the black background. Something about this black background that makes everything about this watch face pop. The name of the watch face is called SMZ 6 Color Change. Always on mode, you're pretty much going to get a similar look. For the Gear S3, it's going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode. But for the Gear S2, you're just going to get a simple digital time. Doesn't look quite as nice as the Gear S3, but still, you still get your time, people. But let's take a look at this watch face when it's on. Now, if you look at it, I got to point it out, people, because I thought that was super cool. At the top, you get your meter for your step goal completed, right? And it lets you know when you completed it. Now, I like that look. I would like to see it when it's half full or when it just started. I want to see what it says. This is definitely a good look. I like that it tells me that it's completed instead of just giving me a percentage. That's nice. Now, I need to raise my step goal, people. I know I need to raise it up to 2,000 or 20,000, that is. Right here, you're going to get your step completed, and then there go your step goal percentage over here. Also at the top, you're going to get your heart rate information, floors climb. Right here in the center, I do like that look with your date and also your digital time that stands out, very legible. If you come down, you got your battery percentage. You also got a meter for that one as well. And then I walked 8 miles, people, 8.4 miles. I was doing it today, right? But if you come down, you will get information on miles walked around as well, calories burned. You're also going to get your seconds right over here, which I like seconds. Don't know why, but I like it. The look is good. Now, you can also customize it a little bit. Double tap, and I could change the meter to several different colors, several different nice colors, people. Depending on what you're wearing, you can color coordinate, and you can do the same thing for your battery meter as well. This is not bad, people. This is not bad. But you also get shortcuts. This guy has given you everything. Single tap. You can set your shortcut for that one. Tap on the time right here. Got another one. And then right here on the seconds, you can bring up another one. Same thing over here. I mean, this guy just sets you up well. I like what he offers so far as the time is concerned. And also, that's my recent. And you got another shortcut right up here. So, listen, people, hit me in the comment section below. I would like to know what you thought of this watch face, right? Because I thought SMZ definitely got down. Giving them 3 thumbs up in the door for an awesome digital watch face. But let's check out the other 2 and see the difference between all 3. Okay, you all, watch face number 2 is called SMZ Act BG. Now, it pretty much looked the same as number 1, but there's a slight difference. If you look at the band, it's a little lighter. It's not fully dark as number 1 is. Now, you don't lose anything. You get the same features, same functions that you would with number 1. So if you need to change the color of your time, you can. If you need to get your shortcut, just single tap and it will bring it up over here. Same thing with the color of your meters up at the top. So you can change those at the bottom, and you get all the same information that you would on number 1 here on watch face number 2. So let's check out number 3 and see how different that is from 1 and from number 2. Okay, you all, last but not least, watch face number 3 is called SMZ Act 6S. Now, the design, again, looks just like 1 and 2. There's a slight tweak to it, and again, it's the band. Just gives the whole watch face overall a different look, and you got choices today. So the question is, which one would you choose? Number 1, number 2, or number 3. Again, you lose nothing with this one. So if you double tap, you want to change the time, you can. Same thing with your meter top and bottom, and you still get your favorites that you can set all 5 on this watch face as well. So again, people, it's all about choices. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Enjoy your weekend. Party like it's 1999, but remember, people, always always be safe. And I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.